Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your audio sound even better in CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this audio from another tutorial, and I'm just going to extract the audio. Then I'm going to select the audio, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to select noise reduction first. Then I'm going to select vocal isolation, and I'm going to select the keep vocal. This is a pro feature though, so just keep that in mind. Once it's done processing, you're going to go to, it's still waiting, I don't know why. Okay, there we go. Then you are going to select voice changer, voice filters, and you're going to find my cog. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay and you're just going to keep the settings, and that is it. This is what it's going to sound like. This is the before. Here, I'll show you the before. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. As you can hear the background noise, and this one you can't. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay, and it's super clear. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!